Mastering correlative conjunctions, both and. Hello, language learners. Today we'll delve into an interesting area of English grammar, correlative conjunctions. In particular, we're going to focus on one very commonly used pair, both and. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use this conjunction pair to build more complex, engaging sentences in English. Let's get started. A correlative conjunction is a type of conjunction that works in pairs to join sentences or phrases together. The pair, both and, is one of the most common examples of these. It's used to connect two or more items or ideas, showing that they are linked or related in some way. Let's see how it works. When we use both and, it implies that the items or actions we're discussing are happening together or have equal relevance or importance. For example, look at the sentence, I like both apples and oranges. Here, we're saying that we like apples and oranges equally. To use both and correctly, remember to place it before the two items or ideas you want to connect. In each case, both comes before the first item, and comes before the second. Like in this sentence, she is both a teacher and a writer. Here, we're saying that she has two occupations, teacher and writer. Let's see a couple more examples. We both study and work to support ourselves. He is both intelligent and hardworking. Now it's your turn. Try to make some sentences using both and. Practice will help you get more comfortable with using this correlative conjunction pair, and before you know it, it will become second nature to you. That's it for today's lesson on the correlative conjunction pair, both and. It's a great tool to add variety and complexity to your English sentences. So keep practicing and remember, language learning is a journey, and every small step counts. Thanks for watching and happy learning.